Okay. All see across the room, X marked on the spot, everybody tryna zoom. But this is casual, another night with the wolves. But I should be dealing with them, she's a damn professional. Making plays for, don't need to be told, yeah she knows. Got these fellas down bad and everybody else mad. Adrenaline rush, leaving them in the dust, now they converting the stands. The world is in her hands now, she's living in my head rent free. Burning through my long-term memory. Everybody racing in a Grand Prix. They know if they don't take a chance now, finna stay woke, no sleep, running back real slow, was that a wing? She's cold as ice, sugar-coated lies with the honey trap eyes. She's dangerous, she's dancing with intention. She's got everyone's attention. She's dangerous, they wanna get a number on a roulette. Yeah, tryna find an opening. Roll the dice, cold sweat running down my neck. She be on the next victim, get caught in a web. Got these fellas spending all they got left. She be keeping the score like a follow ratio.
I'm heading to tennis. It was just a hangover. But yesterday was lit. I took an Alka-Seltzer and said, I am ready. I have to get out because you know. So yeah, I'm on my way because I'm like the best remedy for how I'm feeling right now is exercise. So I am putting in the work and I'll catch you guys back soon. Just finished tennis. My eyes are burning me, but here's how it went.
She a thirsty bitch, I'm gonna visit your dreams. You can see you here, you know that she's near when you sleep. I be under your bed and I hear you fear. She a thirsty bitch, I'm a thirsty bitch, real thirsty, like a snitch on me.
So today is one of those days where I'm just doing all the random errands around the house that I swore I'd get done weeks ago. Anyone else have that bad habit of saying I'll do it tomorrow and then suddenly it's been a month? Yeah, same. First up, it's cleaning the fridge. Like, why does it always feel like some mystery liquid has spilled everywhere? I realized that my fridge had stopped working and I needed to get an exchange for it because it was still on warranty. So I decided to do them a favor and just clean it because I don't want them to say, oh no, that girl's fridge was ugh. So I just cleaned it out spick and span and made way for the new replacement. Now it's laundry time. I don't know why I keep waiting until I'm down to my last pair of underwear to do this. You'd think I'd learn by now, right? And folding, don't even ask me if I fold them the right way, because we both know the answer to that. I've officially become the person that reposts their plans on a Saturday. Is it what I thought it is? I mean, it's oddly satisfied, though I'm not gonna lie.
The opposite shore, hello Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope.
Anyway, this is the glamorous life, guys. It's not just about brunch, cute outfits, and aesthetic decor. It's dishes, it's laundries, and to make sure that your plants don't die. Who knew adulting would be this constant? But I guess at the end of the day, there's something really nice about having a clean space, especially clean sheets and towels.
Feeling uneasy, I push it away. Push it away. Last night was fun, don't feel like today. Feel like today, let's do it again, let's go on a date. Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out
You see how I'm outside and I'm connecting with nature? Very mindful, very demure. I'm not like you other girls who sit inside and play on your phones all day. I'm outside because I'm mindful, I'm demure. Your screen time is longer than your phone number. That's not very classy. Go outside, touch some grass.
You can never sleep in traffic. Cause living steady panic. I know cause I try acid. Now I see through you.
Nice. The breeze would like her work.
Wonder what you think's like. Need me to get your
I'm gonna say, touch this part at the end. That was good. Woo! Kill it!
Good visuals, good life, just all that matters. Health that you got right there is all that matters. Saving, stacking up, yeah, all that matters. Good time with the gang, yeah, all that matters. Yeah, good visuals, good life, just all that matters.
And like that, we are at the end. Oh my God! I nearly broke my arm. Oh my God! What is it good? Absolutely! Wow! That's the only part I'm
It's the gratitude, yeah, do you know what it means? Lyrics you're writing, moisturizing like cream. Yeah, good visuals, good life, just all that matters. Health that you got right there is all that matters. Saving, stacking up, yeah, all that matters. Good time with the gang, yeah, all that matters. Yeah, good visuals, good life, just all that matters. Health that you got right there is all that matters. Saving, stacking up, yeah, all that matters. Good time with the gang, yeah, all that matters. Yeah, miracle, hitting the pinnacle, yeah. Lyrical, told them I kill 'em all, yeah.